Hi, so you'll notice after you get your new computer that the account picture is actually blank. So to replace that with any picture is normally I'll go to the internet and I'll search, for example, Lucky Cat or whatever I want as an icon or an avatar, and I'll right click on these photos and I'll say save image. And when I save the image, I'll save it in the picture folder here. And if I go to the start menu, settings, go to account and your info, I can choose a file to replace my empty picture here. So I'm going to choose my Lucky Cat here, and you'll notice it's the fat Lucky Cat. And if I now hover over it, you see I have an icon here. And also, if I lock my window here, you'll notice I have an icon here. So that is how you would change your icon here, or avatar, to be any picture you'd like. So I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.